Hey guys, look what we got. Finally, it's about time. Everyone's been
excited.
asking for it for way too long. Came out with it for the GT first. I feel like we've been concentrating on the GT way too much.
We have been.
You know what I'm saying?
We've been concentrating a lot on GT.
Time to give the XR some love, the Vesk some love, with the new. Did you guys see that? That's a Street Pro 2, baby. Ooh! It's finally here. Super stoked on it. We haven't had XR slick tire since the Street Pro 1, man.
Yeah.
It's been a while. We're stoked. We're gonna give this a shot, test it out today. This is the first version prototype of it. I gotta be honest with you, I'm pretty sure we nailed it, but you know, we're gonna test it out, put it through the paces, make sure everything's good to go. Let's do a little bit of warehouse sesh right now. We'll shred in here. We got a couple of curbs set up. We'll hit a couple tricks, maybe game of float or something like that.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Then we'll take it out to the streets, go test it around on town, check the edge hole, check the torque on it, check the stability on it, the nimbleness. There's like a few boxes I definitely want to check off. And then we'll come back here and we'll let you guys know what's up, give you our thoughts.
Float on, my friends.
No, that's what you say at the end of the video. Oh, Jesse, you're killing me.
I'm blowing it.
Oh my God. Let's just play skate right now.
Lit.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Or float. Sorry, let's
Yeah,
play float.
let's
All
play
right,
float.
let's rerun that.
Are you guys good today?
No, we're.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm still so burnt from Shredfest. You kidding me? My legs barely work.
Same.
Oh, it's crazy. Let's just start out with the game of float, but let's change the rules up a little bit, okay? Alternating trick set, regardless of whether or not you land it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, sick. Let's get it. You want to go first?
Sure.
All right.
Just a simple bonk out.
Simple bonk out. Oh, I can't believe you wasted your trick set on such a simple trick. Because of course, you know I'm gonna get that bonk out, but now it's my turn
Yeah, I just
to
had
set the trick.
I had to get you on the flat ground.
I guess so. All right, I'm thinking back one out.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh.
Oh, I nailed it. It's been a while since I've ridden these XRs. Woo! That's a 5 push-up. Oh, okay,
Let's
there we go.
go.
All right, penalty is paid. Good luck,
one,
you're
good
up.
one.
That was the worst back one I've ever done in my life.
What do you call that thing? No comply?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, no comply.
Oh. Okay, yeah, we'll count that. I think my keys stabbed me in the nether regions. Oh, that was fun. All right, I'm gonna hang these up. Yup.
Clean.
Back nose on just one of the blocks, just a little one block back nose. To Reggies, of course.
Nice. Okay, I'm
nice
gonna
and
come back
simple.
towards you.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does that one count with the foot off the board?
F. I think I need the F.
All right, we'll give you the F. It's too early.
Front nose to tail.
Ooh, that was spicy. You'll put those blocks back up. A simple little front nose, just on a little halfer.
Ooh.
Woo.
Ooh.
Yup. Oh, you had that one. You had it.
Warming up, warming up.
Just getting warmed up. You take the letters early. I get it. Let's go with that front 3 no comply. You already did it back, right?
Yep.
Hey, I forget. I'm not on a Vesk. I'm not gonna get that activation.
For the culture, dude, the AO.
Oh my God, I can't. You know I can't do that trick.
The AO. This
You know
one, you put
perfectly
your
well.
foot in front of the board. It's really trippy.
It makes no sense. Hey, you haven't done it. S-spin.
Oh, bro.
Oh my gosh. You're not doing it with the 180. You're doing a no comply 3 shove, guy.
Yeah, that one was weird.
It's no true S-spin. Oh, come on.
The burial always messes with my brain.
I know.
Yeah.
You got a land switch? Well, shoot. Is that O?
That is O.
Oh, shoot. All right, let's go really long nose slide. Yoo-hoo. Combo. Hey, not as flexible as I used to be. Oh, wait.
I'm out.
That wasn't even my trick. That wasn't even my trick to set. I just set that one. It was your turn. That one wouldn't have counted anyway. Oh.
I'm stuck. Nope.
All right, let's just go a little tail block, front one, baby.
Oh. Oh! Smooth like butter.
Yeehaw.
Jeff's the master of those for show.
This is the last letter, homie.
That was weak.
You got to do the 180.
Rebate.
Oh, hey, good game.
I promise I'm gonna practice those.
Good game. It's all good, all good. Okay, there's game float. What do you think about the tire so far? How's the slidability of it? How's the bonk ability? We got a couple of bonks here.
So when I slid it, it slid so well.
It's surprising because it is a softer compound.
Yeah.
It is the Street Pro 2 compound, the same one that we have on the GT. It's nice and sticky, it's real tacky, but that's cool that it slides good, huh?
Yeah, it slides really well.
Yeah.
I want to feel it. I feel like this tire out in the streets is gonna be great too. Like on those skater kind of ledges and stuff.
Yeah, for sure. So it's like grips the pavement, but slides the concrete.
Exactly.
That's cool. I'm good with
Yeah.
that. What do you say we go test this bad boy out in the streets?
Let's get it.
But first, I need a rebate on this because that was embarrassing.
Yeah, let's get it.
All right.
Yeah.
There we go. Ah, couch. All right, let's go get it. The curb. Oh, dude, what are we doing? We're missing the bonk.
Oh.
We're missing the bonk. Oh, shoot. Watch out for the rebar, dude. Look at all that rebar. Oh, I got scared. That's so sketchy right there. Did you see all that rebar? That's new. Okay, no more bonk there for a while. Ba-da-da-da-da. Yeah, I hope I don't have to brake right now because I am straight nose up. Look at this thing. Oh,
Holy smokes.
holy smokes. Oh, nice.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that was a good one. Oh, Jesse, gonna hit your favorite bonk?
Yeah.
Jesse's gonna hit his favorite bonk.
Same.
But same. No, my new t-shirt. Oh, my virgin collarbone. Oh, that one hurt, dude. It crunched a little bit. Oh, I'm killing it today on this video. Yoo-hoo. Yay. Hey, there we go. I gotta do some adjustment if we're gonna keep riding because this pushback is way too much. The perfect trash can for it. There we go. There we go. Send her a little nose down. Boom, done. All right, let's see how that goes.
Not gonna ask to drop into it?
Yeah.
Happy, Julian?
Yes.
Oh, this thing's off, dude. I gotta go even further nose down on it.
Hey, you want me to put a stick under your...
How? This trash can is very sensitive.
Well, I think, what are you doing to my board, man? There's dog poop in that trash can.
Hold on, I got an idea. We're gonna put this
No,
stick
I had
under
it
the
perfect.
butt,
I had it. All right.
so it's lifted a little bit more.
Is that lifted more?
No, it's
No, Jesse, I got this.
Okay, my bad.
Oh,
What? Here.
I got trash juice on my fingers now.
Look it. I got it on my
No,
shirt
you
now.
ruined your shirt.
No, it's not ruined.
Oh, I can smell the juice.
I know, the juice. Oh,
Oh.
it's the worst.
Ooh.
Okay, let's try that. Oh, she's real nose down now. Dang, I feel like Neil Bennett right now. Oh! Okay. I went into that one a little hot, I think. I think I did the splits on that. Hopefully this board still works. That was a heavy hit. Good news. Board's still working.
Yeah.
A little too slow into that one. I got scared. I got gun shy on that one.
Got this.
Dude, it's so nose down now. This is hilarious. There we go. Woo! I get that cleaner.
Yeah.
Shoo.
Woo! Bolts.
Hey, just to be clear, we should show the people the height of this nudge because stuff
yeah.
doesn't translate very well on video all the time. Yeah, there's no banana for scale, but I'd say it's a pretty big nudge, man. Oh my gosh.
That was rough.
Oh my gosh.
That was rough.
Wow. You trying to break Bodie's board today?
No.
Back one's to concrete? Ooh. All right, well, we tested nudgeability. Seems to nudge just fine. Seems to nudge real good, actually. It's
That is
gripping.
great.
It's gripping good.
I want to hit that slide right there.
Oh, go hit the slide.
The lower one.
Go hit the slide.
Nice. Tire slides so well. I'm really loving the profile of it. feels better than the Street Pro, honestly.
Okay, good news, I fixed it. It's not crazy nose down anymore.
Let's
it's just
go.
a little nose down. Let's go, let's see, did you get the slide?
Yeah, I kind of want to try the big one though.
The big slide? Oh, Jesse. Bodie, I didn't tell him to do this to your board. This is all on him, okay?
Kind of bit.
So you got a little front pinch on that one.
Yeah, I did. Yo, that was bolts and the board turned off.
Yeah, I think you broke Bodie's board.
No.
Oh God, it's working?
It just shut off, Sean?
Yeah, dude, that's Bodie's board. It does that. I don't know if I should try it again.
You shouldn't have tried it in the first place.
Okay, one more.
It shut off when you hit
Right when I hit it. Yeah, I felt it.
Oh, what do I do with these kids? We could take it a little bit more mellow now. I know we've been getting pretty aggro. Let's go on the street and we'll go fast and we'll carve hard. So we'll be able to test some edge grip. We could test some torquing,
Tight.
the toe to heel roll. We'll test all that. And of course, stability at speed. Something you definitely
Look at
want.
this stability at low speed too though. Check this out. Bro, so stable.
Oh, should we Cheeto slash it? We
Dude,
gotta
let's
Cheeto
get it,
slash
let's get it.
We gotta go back to the Cheetos. Don't slash it yet. We gotta wait. Woo. We call that the old Frito-Lay slash right there. Yeah. Oh yeah, check this out, check this out. We go up, and then we get weird off.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, switch front one. The sloppiest switch front one of all time, yeah. You saw it,
I
so
saw it.
sloppy,
I saw
still
it.
counts. Dude, you like this little spot? You wanna catch this one?
I've yet to really properly do it. But let's
Oh, this
get
one's
it.
great. You just cook in this way, you just bonk off that, nice and mellow. That's a fun little bonk. We'll let Jesse have this one. Let Jesse take it. Oh my God, look, it's stuck. How did it do that? Wait, what is even happening here? What's it caught on?
The bolts in the handle.
What? I've never seen anything like this before. This is amazing.
It's magic.
There it is.
Lily Bop. Yo.
Okay, hey, there we go.
Butter.
Sure. Oh my God, how long are we gonna go?
Oh! Woo!
Woo!
Oh!
Oh, that's all of them. That's all of them.
We did it.
Oh, there's so much carving. It seems like it gets on an edge really nice. The only thing that I didn't like about the original Street Pro, like for what it was, so the Street Pro, we want like street specific, great for tricks, like really nimble, but not squirrely. And then like a nice little edge hold, but not like a super hard to get into edge roll. We want like really easy to initiate the turn, but not necessarily like an edge hold super heavy like you'd want on like a Maxxis 6.5 or an Enduro or like a trail specific thing, right? Because you want to be able to flip it around, do shoves, do 180, stuff like that.
You want to be able to get up on that edge. And
Exactly.
Really
So the only thing about the Street Pro 1 that I didn't like is the edge was just a touch too sharp, and you'd really have to wear it in for like 300-400 miles before it like shaped out super nice. This thing, it's got like a way more mellow, forgiving edge on it. So it's not quite as sharp. So when you lay into it, you don't really get like the rollover buckle.
Yeah, no,
You know what I'm
no
saying?
rollover at all.
Yeah,
it really holds you.
But it's like, it's pretty easy to initiate the turn though. It's definitely easier to initiate the turn than the Enduro. So I would say it's a little bit more nimble than the Enduro for sure, which is exactly what we were going for.
Yeah, definitely.
And then we did just make it like a touch smaller on the diameter as well, so that you get like some really nice torque on it, right?
Oh.
Yeah, she's got torque.
She's got the pop.
Yeah.
It's wild.
Oh, we doing those? I like those. Yoo-hoo. So it's definitely a little more torquey. I don't think this is a tire that like you want to be doing 27 smashing down a mountain on.
No.
You know what I'm saying? But that's more of like trail pro,
Yeah.
enduro, like that's what you want to be smashing fast on. This is more of like, could handle off road, no problem, but like more street centered.
Yeah, trick specific. It's more a trick based on, if you want to do tricks on your one wheel, this is the tire. For
Yeah,
sure.
like smooth street carbon.
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
Smooth street, yeah.
Smooth street carbon.
Exactly.
And then this is the soft compound that we're testing right now. Do you guys want to see a harder compound? Maybe like a mid compound, lasts a little longer? We could do that.
It'd be dope.
We'll see. Anyway, let's head on back to the shop. Let's
Sweet.
just soul shred it back.
Tight.
Shot.
Oh.
Right there's where I died the other day on the group ride video. You can check that video out by clicking right here because Julian is now, right here?
Yep.
Okay, so Julian's put the video up right here in post. It's totally right there, promise. Click on that to see me fall on that group ride. Right there, at that spot. Okay, cool, good talk. All right, we made it back.
Made it back.
Sesh, good sesh. Jesse,
Great
can you
sesh.
believe that this is our job?
Oh, bro, it's the best job in the world. Jeff's the most amazing boss, too.
We can cut that part, right?
Shout
We'll
out
cut that part.
to TheFloatLife.
Hey, no, sick though. What a fun day. This is awesome. We're super lucky to be able to do this, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. But this has been the Street Pro 2 Prototype 1 test. Jesse, any changes you would like to make?
No changes. I'm really excited for all you guys back at home to get to experience this tire. It's gonna up our trick game a lot.
Yeah, pretty pumped on it. I don't think we've ever had a tire that was like bolts out of the mold, huh?
Same, yeah.
Yeah, we always go through like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 revisions before we get it right, but this one's actually sick.
Yeah.
Right out the gate, so I'm pretty pumped on that. So we should have the Street Pro 2 for XR and Vest coming out real soon. So stoked to get it under your guys' feet. Super pumped. Thanks again for everything. Appreciate it, and float on, my friends.
You.
Let's get it. One nose slide for the outro?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, the blocks are staggered though.
Second block fun.
Sure. Got him.
You.
There's no way Julian got that being out there in the sunlight,
in the
when we're all here in the
no,
shade.
No, we went into the darkness. It was like, bye-bye.
You guys
Yeah.
don't know how cameras work. It doesn't work like that. Float on, goodbye.